Hey guys, John Lowder here. I spoke yesterday at chapel, and we spoke about anxiety and worry, and it's a problem that is so common to all of us, including myself. And so if you remember yesterday, we talked about pills and poppies and pagans, with the idea being that, as we encounter things and we go through things in life, it definitely causes worry. But as we talked about it, it came back to this idea of surrender. Am I really willing to surrender all the things that I expect, all the things that I feel I have a right to, in order to be able to say, God, I trust you with those more than I trust myself to control them. So as you go through your discussion, and you'll see some of those questions on there, my prayer will be for you guys that hopefully this will be something that you don't just say, oh, anxiety, worry, that's for the person sitting next to me to pay attention to. I pray that you can really say, God, how would you have me change as a result of saying, God, I trust you with my life. So don't worry, put your hope in God. Have a great discussion.